What's up, everybody, my soul squad? Welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight we are making pulled barbecue mac and cheese. My mom makes this. I didn't even know it was a thing. She was like, Tanya, I mixed macaroni and cheese. My macaroni and cheese with some chicken. It was so good. Well, it's a thing, and I'm making it for the first time because my mom always made it. See, that's where I get my cooking from. She already knew about this. I knew nothing about this. She's been making it like this for such a long time. So I decided to bring it to you guys. We are doing, so I'm putting a twist, I'm putting barbecue sauce. She just used the plain roasted chicken. So I am putting barbecue sauce, making mine BBQ pulled chicken with mac and cheese. It's going to go in the oven. It's going to be delectable, you guys. Okay, so you're going to need some macaroni noodles. For one, any brand does not matter. I have my water boiling. This is a 2-pound box, but I'm not using this whole 2-pound box. I'm just using enough for me and my family. Oh, I came up on the camera. Okay, good. I'm not using this whole box, guys. That's about half, a little bit more than half that I'm using here. And I'm just going to let that boil. So maybe like 10 to 12 minutes, you know. And I roasted the chicken earlier. I roasted the chicken. I pulled it apart. That's how easy this recipe is. If you guys want to know how I roast my chicken, I'll link my roasted chicken video to this video in the description below. But we'll be right back when these noodles get done. Okay, we're back. My macaroni noodles are done. They're good to go, sitting here in the calendar, letting all the water drain out. Come over here to this pot right here. I have a half a stick of margarine here. You can use butter, margarine. I'm going in with margarine. To the half a stick. And first of all, I'm going to turn the stove down just a little bit. I'm doing in 1/4 thing of flour. Because I'm making like a roux. I mean, I make a lot of noise. I'm making a roux. So, and I'm just going to stir this back like a minute or two. Because you want that flour. You don't want that flour taste, you know. And the one thing I'm going to tell you guys, what I didn't do, and I just totally forgot, but I know how to make it come out right, even if I do. But make sure your milk, when you do this, is at room temperature, because you don't want it to get clumps and lumps. But I've been making this stuff for so long, I could do it with cold milk or room temperature milk. You guys make sure your milk is at room temperature. So take it out about 20 minutes before, so we get it room temperature. And you just want to stir this up because you don't want that flour taste. At least a minute or two. Then I'm going to go in here with about 2 cups of milk. I'm just going to let that sit. While I let that sit a few minutes, come on over here and follow me. I got like a 10-ounce pack of Velveeta cheese, a little small pack. I got some sharp cheddar cheese, 8-ounce pack of this. And have this 4-cup mozzarella cheese. This is more than girl, I ain't got my glass on, 16 ounce, but we're not using all that. I had a half a cup of barbecue sauce, my favorite barbecue sauce. And so now I'm going to turn the stove down just a little bit. I'm going to put my Velveeta cheese in first because it'll take a lot longer for this cheese to melt. Into my flour and butter mixture, I'm going in with about 2 cups of milk, guys. And this is, believe it or not, this is going to thicken up because of that flour. And once this comes to a thickening, that's when I'm going to add in my cheese and let it all melt together. But to that, the only season I'm using today is pepper. And how much is up to you? Maybe 2 teaspoons. Because the flavor from the cheese, the barbecue sauce, when it all cooked together, you don't need nothing else. I don't anyway. But if you taste yours, you want to add some other type of seasoning, you know, do what you do. We're going to let this cook about a good 5 or 6 minutes until it get nice and thick. We'll be back and add our cheese. Guys, look how thick my roux is. This is nice and thick. Make sure you use warm milk when you make your roux. You want it smooth and silky like this. I'm going there with my cheese, which I cut in squares. And this is like one of those little, that little Velveeters. I think it's like either 8 or it's either 8 or 10 ounces, I believe. We'll let that melt. All my cheese. I'm going to use maybe 1.5 cups of this mozzarella cheese. And 2 cups of this cheddar, sharp cheddar. And we just going to stir. Yeah. Like this is my good pan, so I have to use this old rubber stuff. We're going to stir and let that melt down. That's why I'm going to get my spatula. I just don't like anything with this rubber wire whisk. Hand me that black spatula right there. Yeah, take that. Thank you. There we go. My cheese sauce. I gotta get some elbow in there, honey. Look at that. Let that melt. I'll probably add another cup of milk to this because I want, look at that. We're going to let that melt. I'm going to add another cup of milk and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, I add another cup of milk to this. Look at this cheese sauce. I'm going in now. 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce. And that's where all that flavor going to come in at for your chicken. Look at that. Stir that barbecue sauce up in there. Now you don't want to overkill it with the barbecue sauce. That's why I'm just doing 1/2 cup. And go my chicken. Boom. Make sure you get all the bones out. And guys, you go head to your local store and get one of those chickens that's already cooked. And peel that. You ain't got to do a rotisserie chicken. And it most definitely make you save some time on your meal. Going in with my macaroni. I'm not even using it all. I just want to stir it up. And it's going to go in the oven, guys. Look at that. It's so nice and cheesy. Just the way you want it. Just enough macaroni, just enough chicken, just enough cheese and barbecue sauce. You're gonna top this with some leftover cheese. You can smell the, I got honey, that good old sweet rays up in here, okay? I'm gonna do something because I just don't feel comfortable if I don't give my food some color. I gotta go in with a little bit of parsley flakes. I just like it for the prettiness. The green just make everything look good. So, I'm gonna stir this up. This came out perfect. It smelled good. It looked good. Going in my cast iron frying pan. We're gonna top it, be back, and put it in the oven. Okay, guys, here it is. All in my skillet. Of course, all that didn't fit in my skillet because I had such a large family. But I also added some more barbecue sauce because I didn't realize I made so much. And you want that tangy cheese taste. So I added another 1/2 cup. And oh my God, it set it so off. I had a large family, so sometimes I tend to forget. And as you go and you cook, and you got to taste your food to decide whether or not it needs more flavor. So I topped it with some parsley flakes. That tastes good. You can taste the barbecue sauce, like barbecue chicken and macaroni together. Parsley flakes, a little bit of this cheddar cheese. Oven is on 350. A little bit of this. That was mozzarella cheese. Now some of this cheddar cheese. And you can top this with breadcrumbs if you like. Anything that you want to make your BBQ pulled chicken mac and cheese with. And there it is. This going in the oven for maybe 30 minutes or 350 or till it's creamy and it's melted. So I'm gonna say about 30-35 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay, so squad, it is out the oven. You get right there? Get that picture right there? This is my barbecue pulled chicken mac and cheese, guys. It looks so good. Okay, the recipe is going to be in the description below. Remember, you make it as small as little. You can adjust the recipe according to your family size. But yeah, let's get this in. I got the plate right here. You can hear it. And you know what? I dedicate this video to my mom because she been making this. And I said, nobody want to eat that mess. And then when Andrew showed me on Facebook, Mom, you got to make this. I said, your grandmother already make that. There you go. Until next time, guys, I hope you like this video. I hope I like this video. I hope you guys love this video. Please give it some thumbs up, some likes, some positive comments. Until next time, don't forget to watch me on Roku. If you don't watch me here on, let me move this out the way. If you don't watch me here on YouTube, my BBQ pulled chicken and mac. There it is.